As dawn breaks over the African savannah, I awaken to the sounds of my pride, filled with innocence and curiosity. Yet, even the slightest sound in the grass sends shivers of fear through me. But my curiosity always prevails. As the drought sets in, our once bountiful home becomes a landscape of struggle. The nights are dangerous, and I learn the true meaning of peril when I stray from my mother's side. With each experience, I grow more agile and resilient, learning the art of hunting. With courage and determination, I rise as the golden heart of the savannah, ready to face the trials ahead.